Hello, today I am going to teach the integration. Now we have problem. How can we integrate this type of question? So now we are going to solve this question. So now we write equals to integration dx divided by cos x root under. We have formula for cot 2x. The formula of cot 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Again, now move to another step. So steps. Now this can be simplified by this way: dx divided by cos x, and now we take the common from these parts. So cos square x will be common. Remaining will be 1 minus sin square x and cos square x. We take common from this part. So cos square x is common. Remaining will be 1 minus sin square by cos square. So now we move to another steps. Another steps will be dx divided by cos x. Now we take from common from this part. So when we keep out cos square x to the outer side, it will be cos x. So this will be cos multiplied by cos will be cos square x, and then remaining will be 1 minus, and sin square x by cos square x can be written by tan square x. Now we can write 1 into dx divided by cos square x root under 1 minus tan square x. So it can be written 1 by cos square x as sec square x. Sec square x dx divided by root under 1 minus tan square x. Now we put tan x equals to t. Now we integrate. So this will be sec square x equals to dt. We can integrate this part, can be written as I equals to dt divided by root under 1 minus t square. So the integration of this part will be sin inverse t plus c. Now replacing the values, so this will be equals to now we can write sin inverse x, replacing the value of t, tan x plus c. So this is the final answer. Again I want to teach you. So this is the problem. Now we have formula for cos 2x. So cos square x minus sin square x. So this become dx by cos x, and we take the common from this part cos square x, remaining 1 minus sin square by cos square. So this will be dx, and taking the common cos square from this side, and when we coming out from the root, then it will be cos x multiplied by cos x will be cos square x, remaining part will be 1 minus, and formula of sin square x by cos square will be tan square x. Now 1 by cos square x is written as sec square x dx divided by 1 minus tan square x is remaining. Now we put tan x equals to t. So this integrating the parts will be the sec square x dt, and this will be dt to under 1 minus tan square x, and this is the formula for sin inverse t plus c, and replacing the value of t by tan x. So sin inverse x tan x plus c is the final answer. Thank you.